Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia in day 129 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are going to be doing shakes by thirds with exercise number 192.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So on exercise number 192, we have these trills by a third. So the baseline note that you need to keep track of is this. Bum, 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 bum. Then we come back down. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so as long as you know what those root notes are, this will be fairly easy. So we're going to be trilling, right? So, oh. You hear how what we're doing? We're kind of navigating da, da, da. So make sure your ear really anchors onto those pitches while you're doing the trill. Here is exercise 192. Notice that last note is actually just a regular note. It's not a trill. Now we're going to come back down. Breathe. Breathe. Okay, so that's fun. I took a few breaths because I thought it's important to, go at a little bit slower tempo, but you could do it like this as well, okay? That's totally fine. That tempo is also fine. So just feel like what you really want to do and and do it. And we're almost through, right?